Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive offer for all digital marketers and SEO enthusiasts. Click the link in the video description and get 10% off your Mangools plan if you sign up in less than 1 hour. If you're looking to boost your website's performance and improve your search rankings, you've got to check out Mangools, a complete suite of powerful SEO tools that simplifies keyword research, SERP analysis, backlink tracking, and much more. Mangools offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes advanced SEO accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals. With tools like KW Finder, SERP Checker, and Link Miner at your fingertips, you can quickly uncover profitable keywords, analyze your competition, and optimize your content strategy with ease. Their real-time data and actionable insights make it a breeze to refine your SEO campaigns, helping you drive more organic traffic and improve your website's visibility. What I love about Mangools is that it takes the complexity out of SEO. The platform's clean design and smart features ensure you get accurate, reliable information without the overwhelming clutter. It's perfect for anyone looking to make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. And now, here's an exclusive deal for my viewers. If you register within the next hour, you can get 10% off your Mangools subscription. Just click the link in the video description to claim your discount.